Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Today, we're exposing the hidden traps that are quietly keeping you broke, and you might not even realize you've fallen into them. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to make financial mistakes that slowly drain your wealth and hold you back from financial freedom. From lifestyle inflation and impulse spending to crippling debt and poor savings habits, these common pitfalls can sabotage your financial growth if left unchecked. But here's the good news. Once you recognize these traps, you can take control and break free from them for good. No matter where you are on your financial journey, this video will give you practical insights to help you avoid these costly mistakes and start building real wealth. Stick around because your path to financial success starts right now. Blast off. Trap 1. Lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when your expenses rise in tandem with your income, often leading to a cycle of overspending that can keep you poor. As you earn more, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Think dining out more frequently, moving to a bigger apartment, or purchasing the latest gadgets. While these upgrades can feel rewarding, they often come at the cost of your savings. For example, if you get a raise and immediately increase your monthly expenses, you may find yourself living paycheck to paycheck, despite earning more. To combat lifestyle inflation, consider setting a savings goal that remains a priority, regardless of income changes. Aim to save a percentage of any raise or bonus you receive before adjusting your spending. Additionally, focus on maintaining a frugal lifestyle by evaluating your needs versus wants. Simple changes like cooking at home or opting for budget-friendly entertainment can help you enjoy life without breaking the bank. By being mindful of your spending habits, you can build wealth instead of watching it slip away. Trap 2. Poor budgeting habits. Not having a budget can have serious consequences, often leading to overspending and accumulating debt. Without a clear plan for your finances, it's easy to lose track of where your money goes each month. This lack of awareness can result in impulse purchases and unplanned expenses that quickly add up, leaving you in a financial bind. One effective budgeting method to consider is the 50-30-20 rule. This approach suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. By following this simple framework, you can create a balanced budget that helps you prioritize your financial goals. Additionally, tracking your expenses is crucial for identifying spending patterns. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your daily expenditures, which can reveal areas where you might be overspending. By understanding your financial habits, you can make informed decisions and take control of your finances, ultimately steering clear of the pitfalls of poor budgeting. Trap 3. High-interest debt. Accumulating high-interest debt can be one of the most damaging traps on your path to financial stability. Credit card debt and high-interest loans can quickly erode your financial foundation, as the interest compounds and makes it increasingly difficult to pay off the principal. This cycle can lead to stress and limit your ability to save for the future or invest in opportunities that could build wealth. To tackle high-interest debt effectively, consider strategies like the avalanche or snowball method. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while the snowball method prioritizes the smallest debts to build momentum. Whichever method you choose, consistency is key. Moreover, it's crucial to avoid unnecessary debt in the first place. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a need or a want, and consider saving for it instead of relying on credit. By being mindful of your borrowing habits, you can protect your financial health and pave the way for a more secure future. Trap 4. Lack of emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is essential for maintaining financial stability, yet many people overlook its importance. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, can quickly derail your financial plans and leave you scrambling for cash. Without a safety net, you may be forced to rely on credit cards or loans, leading to high-interest debt that can be difficult to manage. To build and maintain an emergency fund, start by setting a savings goal. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, which can provide a cushion during tough times. Consider automating your savings by setting up a separate account and transferring a fixed amount each month. Additionally, prioritize saving for emergencies in your budget. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. By establishing an emergency fund, you can protect yourself from financial setbacks and avoid the stress of debt, allowing you to focus on achieving your long-term financial goals. Trap 5. Impulse spending. Impulse spending can have a significant negative impact on your financial health, often leading to regret and financial strain. The psychological triggers behind impulse buying include emotions like stress, boredom, or even excitement. Retailers are well aware of these triggers and often use tactics like sales promotions and eye-catching displays to encourage spontaneous purchases. To curb impulse spending, consider implementing the 24-hour rule. This strategy involves waiting a full day before making a purchase, giving you time to evaluate whether it's a need or just a fleeting desire. During this waiting period, you can reflect on how the purchase aligns with your financial goals. Additionally, encourage mindful shopping habits by creating a shopping list before heading out and sticking to it. Avoid shopping when you're feeling emotional or stressed, as this can lead to poor decision-making. By practicing these strategies, you can enhance your financial discipline, reduce unnecessary expenses, and ultimately work towards a more secure financial future. Trap 6. Ignoring investments. Ignoring investments can pose significant risks to your financial future. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. By not investing, you miss out on the opportunity to benefit from this growth, potentially leaving you with insufficient funds for retirement or other long-term goals. Basic investment options include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, each offering different levels of risk and return. Stocks can provide high returns, but come with volatility, while bonds tend to be more stable, but offer lower returns. Mutual funds allow you to diversify your investments, spreading risk across various assets. It's crucial to start investing early, even if you can only contribute small amounts. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. By taking action now, you can build a solid financial foundation for the future. Don't let the fear of investing hold you back. Start today and watch your wealth accumulate over time. Trap 7. Not seeking financial education. Not seeking financial education can significantly hinder your ability to make informed decisions about your money. A lack of financial knowledge often leads to poor choices, such as falling for scams, mismanaging debt, or missing out on investment opportunities. Understanding the basics of personal finance is essential for building a secure financial future. There are numerous resources available for learning about personal finance. Books like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki offer valuable insights. Online courses and platforms like Coursera or Udemy provide structured learning on various financial topics, from budgeting to investing. Additionally, staying informed about financial news and trends can help you make better decisions. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial experts, whether through consultations or workshops. By prioritizing continuous financial education, you empower yourself to navigate the complexities of personal finance, ultimately leading to smarter choices and a more prosperous future. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool in achieving financial success. In this video, we explored 7 hidden traps that can keep you poor and hinder your financial health. We discussed lifestyle inflation, poor budgeting habits, high-interest debt, lack of an emergency fund, impulse spending, ignoring investments, and the importance of seeking financial education. Each of these traps can have a significant impact on your ability to build wealth and achieve financial stability. The key takeaway is that awareness and proactive action are essential in avoiding these pitfalls. By implementing strategies like budgeting, saving for emergencies, and investing early, you can take control of your financial future. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can empower ourselves and others to make informed financial decisions and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and strategies.